Hi, May 3rd, 2016. Look at this water vapor over the United States. To me, it looks like a snake or a lizard head. Like here's the bottom of the face, and the head comes up around here, and here would be an eye, and here's the nose and another eye here, and then watch it watch it be created here. See how it comes. So it comes into that sort of evil look. What do you think about that? It's late and I'm tired. So this is on the National Weather Service website under satellite images. The link will be below. So this is in telecast, and I can go up to this little key here, and these little symbols all mean something. And if I press storm tracks, right around where I live is this red triangle that represents this possible tornado. And this one, hail detected. And that's heading right down into my area where I live. And all day long, it's been a fabulous day. Let's look at with the cloud mixture. So I'm just sitting here right now, and I was outside, and it started to sprinkle just a little tiny bit. Not expecting this because I haven't been on the computer all day because it's been wonderful. The sun's been shining, and did some gardening. So I'm like, holy crap. Okay. So I came outside, and the wind is just barely blowing right now. It's kind of bizarre, but I can't show you anything really because the computer's not doesn't pick up much. I don't think. Let's see. You can see the trees. I don't think you can, but they're just barely blowing. So, something's coming, but let me show you these lilacs that I got. So, I'm back inside. But I'm going to go back out because I love it when a storm comes. So, I'll show you a few more things, and then I hope you have a fabulous whatever it is you're doing. I'll just say this for now. Toodaloo. Oh, I'm sorry. This is hilarious. In just a few minutes that I did that, um, the whole thing has changed. Isn't that fabulous? So now there's not a tornado heading my way. Not even heavy winds, it doesn't look like. Just a storm with some rain, which will be good. Some people have planted some stuff. Intriguing. So this is Wonder Map, and I like this because the area that I was talking about is right here. But comparatively, this area off of Iceland looks much more intense. Over here looks more intense, over here, up here, with the satellite on. And whatever's happening there. Oops, sorry about that. There's always intense storms around Antarctica. That's very intense. And I wonder what they're doing there as far as weather experimentation. Or if it's just a natural pattern. I really doubt that it's completely natural, considering everything else on the planet. But if we take the satellite off and just look at the radar, it doesn't look like too much of anything. we go to severe, then we can see these different areas. Um, and thought if you click on it, it would tell you what it is, but maybe this is the wrong map. There, negative. So there's lightning around there. Nope, it's not working. And sometimes you can, one of the things I like is you can look at pictures of what's happening in different areas from different people, and this is really cool, a very cool thing about Wonder Map. So, like, I can look over here, and this is a picture taken today. And that's beautiful, isn't it? I think that's absolutely cool. It's one of my favorite things about the Wonder Map. That wasn't in Antarctica. That's here in Africa. You know, it's cool to know what's going on around the rest of the world to individuals. These are some beautiful flowers that are showing up right there. Oh, not that. Oh, come on. Maybe if we get closer. These are very sexy looking pictures. Very sexy looking picture, isn't it? Let's go back to it a minute just for the fun of it because it's so beautiful. I want to know the person who took the picture. Let's see if it'll let me. Shoot. Okay, so there. I clicked on it. Kind of accidentally. Oh my gosh, that is so beautiful. Um, Uploaded by Queen of Pearls, Sarasota, Florida, on May 3rd, 2016. Just absolutely beautiful. Okay, so I'm on the College of DuPage, and I want to show you what appears really fast are these black lines that are curvy, and I like those, and those, I always believe those are shadows of energy that is injected into the atmosphere and affects what's going on. Now, what's it doing exactly? I can't tell you. Um, but I do believe it's that, and I do see reactions from that. So, down here is the timestamp. It's almost at the end, and then it'll start out again. Running into May 4th, according to the world time. Okay, so let's stop it and go back until we see where that's being put right into here, right into that storm system. Let's zoom in a little so you can see what I'm talking about. This is the area where there's a storm right now, happening right into here, right down into here. Okay. Go back. Okay, there's that. So those. And sometimes you can see little tiny dots that continue the line, so it doesn't just stop at the blunt end of it. Sometimes you can see that, sometimes not. Let's unzoom this one, and then you can see the timestamp on that. Right here, May 3rd at 5:15. And I think there was, maybe not. Okay, so we'll go forward. 1, 2. I thought there was one more. But, so that is College of DuPage. And then this is College of DuPage radar. And the radar that you see blossoming out as the evening starts, I also believe affects the weather because it's energy and it's going into the atmosphere. I don't see how it could not affect the weather as well as every living thing. And that might even be why this storm system is not as intense as it was to begin with a few minutes ago. So I believe that the radar can make it more intense or less intense, depending on what else is in the atmosphere and what kind of signals are sent out. Let's zoom in again. We've got some heavy stuff going on along the East Coast here too. Oh, look at that, I'm back on IntelliCast, and the red triangle's back. And it looks like it's headed, like, right toward my home. Okay, well, I am going to go outside and take a look at what's going on out there. But I'd like to look at the earthquakes around the world. The red dots are the last 6 hours, and then yellow, and then orange, and then gray. Each one is 6 hours going backwards for 24 hours only. So nothing. Oh, this one looked worse than a 5.0. Okay, so I better make sure we have everything in place for everybody to be safe. I'm grateful for you, and I am here at your service. Bye-bye.